Alright, we're starting day 3. You saw the live for the sunrise. Tammy and I were out here for the sunrise. Now we're going to, they're going to eat some breakfast and we're going to take some hikes today. You guys are more than welcome to come along. Beautiful day. Oh look, the tram's coming down the mountain. See it from the cabin, isn't that cool? Alright, so we're eating breakfast at the log cabin pancake house, and look at this. I'm going to try this peach waffle, and you can get it in original or Belgian.
What is it? Butter. It's just cheaper butter.
Pretty fun decor in here. Good. It's a year older than I am. Alright, time to go hike. We're done eating breakfast. Alright, we're going to go around this motor trail, and then we're going to stop at a few pull-offs and do some hikes. But look at this thing. Isn't it pretty? Well, watch for the bears. We're going to try to find some waterfalls. This is the Ogle Farm Trail cabin. Oh wow. Fireplace. See light coming up. Ooh, this is not safe. No, it's like humped in the middle. Look at this sweet door. That's how they did the hinges.
Oh my god.
And then they have one upside down that way. Same thing. Ooh, rock, there's your chimney. So cool. Isn't that sweet? They didn't have a fire in there lately. This is where we're staying tonight. Here's our cabin. Ooh, they even got a back porch. Does it go all the way down? Sweet.
Everybody must have been skinny.
Yeah, the little doors, aren't they? Huh. I love how they did the hinges. Did you see them?
Yeah.
Damn, this would be fucking cold over here. They've got cracks everywhere.
God, it's so, you see how it's laying like this, like here by here. Dropping in. That's neat.
Sure is. Humping in the middle.
Wow.
Oh, is he longer under the ground?
No, he's that big.
No. Grab him.
I think he's longer under the ground.
Look, here's a little yellow
Grab
one.
him and try to pull him
I
out.
bet he's a lot bigger than that. Oh no, yeah.
I was about to say no, he's just about that
He's
big.
longer than what I thought he was.
Sweet.
Cool, dude.
When you build on a mountain, it's all rock anyway, so your foundation is just stacked rocks on top of your mountain rock. And this barn's been that way for a long, long time. Sorry, people behind us, but there's a bear. And that looks like a cub, so where's the mama?
There you go, they're right there.
He's gonna go up the tree.
Bear, 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 bear. Tennessee, guys. I'm gonna stop and see the mom. If it starts running at us, you better drive, and I'm not joking. They can run 60 miles an hour. Yeah. I don't see them.
Probably got up and running.
Somewhere up here, mama and cubs. They gone. They just disappeared. Another bear. sure your driver pays attention too, because when you get some of these spots, you're like right on the edge.
Yeah, you
This is the Roaring Fork vehicle trail, or driving trail, motor trail, I think they call it. But there are pull-offs everywhere that you can go check out stuff. And there is definitely wildlife. Alright, so we're doing the Grotto Trail. And supposed to be a waterfall at the end of this. And doing a full vlog. So stay tuned. And these
I have no idea.
on the side of
Yeah. There's a big
the mountain.
one, a smaller version of it. Right there under those leaves.
Alright, so there's a path right here. Bear scat, or it could be Sasquatch scat, not sure. And then it goes right up that mountain right there. So Bigfoot comes through here, and that's his poop. Look at the snake on the log.
What kind is it?
Crawling across. I have no idea actually.
Alright, that's sweet.
Do you guys know what kind that is?
The baby something.
It's deadly, whatever it is it's a snake.
Ha!
It does look kind of like a...
I'll go catch it and see what
No, don't you do that.
see what it is.
Ooh, good eye. Sorry.
There.
And where's the other one?
Salamander right here. See him? See his head?
Oh, yeah, there he is.
I don't see him.
Right here.
Oh, right there.
I've never seen one.
Looks like a frog. And that guy's sweet.
Guy. Oh, there.
I think we're getting close. Oh yeah. We've made it to the falls. Alright, Corbin's tired, but that was a mile and a half. And we made it. Little creek's coming through right here. Where you walk. Careful, it's a long way down. And here's a spot where people climb down and check out the waterfall. Should we do it? I think so. Find the salamanders. There are one, two, three, four salamanders in this picture. Can you find all of them? One,
Three,
two,
four.
three, and four.
And then a little baby red one up here.
And then the little baby red one up here is 5. There's one right there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, one right
One
there.
right there.
One right here in front of me.
One right there on the leaf.
Crazy.
And one in front of where?
He wasn't down here already.
Yeah, right there. See this red rock here? This is the red rock of Tennessee. It's on the sides of a lot of these mountains. Got another salamander here. You see him?
Right here. Look how fat he is.
What happened?
I do not see it that way.
Okay, I'm taking a picture of him.
Look at that mushroom. Hey guys, we're truck surfing, or mountain surfing, down the mountain. You guys like mountain surfing? Yee yee! We're looking for more bears, or whatever we can find. We're doing that cabin, probably from the fire, but man, I sure would like to be part of that. Yeah, this fall. Another one, pretty.
Go ahead, man.
Right here along the drive. Pretty, huh? There goes Corbin, doing some exploring. Proud of that boy. Doing a good job out here, and he's having a blast. We all are. Okay, so we've located Sasquatch fur. This is an albino Sasquatch.
Whatever it was, I think was eating it because it looks like it was ripped out or whatever.
It was ripped out. A fox did not kill Sasquatch. He was back here combing his hair in the morning.
Well, look, there's no.
So that's Alfred Reagan's place, and that must be his mill. Out here you can really see people out there, and we got these to make it even more clear. Let me see here. See if I can see it. Oh yeah. See?
Yeah, I leave it open.
And you can really zoom in on some people.
At least one or two.
Especially right down below here. Alright, we're gonna go to Gatlinburg now, walk around Gatlinburg for a little bit. Here we go. Look at that gorilla. He's not scary. Look at that. The Uber Gatlinburg tram. Just clean up the mountain. We're down in the middle of it now, guys. Look at that. Bennett's Pit Barbecue and Big Daddy's wood-fired brick oven pizzeria. This is right underneath the tram for Uber Gatlinburg. We're down here at the winery, the Bootleggers wine, homemade wine. Here's their selections. And they also have, I saw they had strawberry rhubarb. Inside the winery is the Old Smoky Moonshine. Another place we're going to check out. We've got lots of jams and jellies. I almost got this right here. These are not mason jars, but they got mason jars on them. Here's a lot of their flavors. Banana pudding, blackberry, some beach. I don't know, we might get this one. Sour watermelon. You got sour lime and sour raspberry berry. What's this one? Lemon tea shine. Yeah, look at all those flavors of shine. Around this corner have fruit in them, like cherries and pineapples and even dill pickles. These designs here. There. Pigeons of Gatlinburg.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago.